Welcome everyone, dear listeners, to this world where technology joins us in our nights to make them sweeter and our mornings more pleasant. Today, let's dive into the world of the Philips HF353101 Wake-Up Light Radio, a discreet yet effective companion in your quest for restorative sleep and a gentle wake-up. Click on the link in the description. To learn more about its unique features, see the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours now. The Philips HF353101 Wake-Up Light is aimed at anyone looking for a natural and soothing way to start their day. Whether you have trouble waking up in the morning or simply want to improve the quality of your sleep, this discreet and effective product offers a solution suitable for everyone. Let's start by diving into its features. Philips has been an expert in lighting for over 100 years. He designed this wake-up light with an approach that avoids flashy superlatives, opting instead for a simple and objective presentation. This alarm clock, model HF353101, features a raw, UV-resistant finish with dimensions of 14.6 by 19.9 by 19.2 cm. Its white color blends discreetly into any environment. And guess what? You can own it with just one click on the link in the description and see thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews. This Philips alarm clock is not just a simple alarm, it becomes your wellness partner. Its nightlight function and night guide facilitate your nighttime movements, and its built-in USB port allows you to charge your phone, a convenient touch for our connected lives. As I mentioned earlier, this product developed by Philips benefits from over 100 years of expertise in the field of lighting. No grandiose promises, but clinically proven effectiveness. This is the only wake-up light radio whose effectiveness is supported by extensive studies and comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. Now let's dive into the details without any frills. The Philips HF353101 Wake-Up Light offers a personalized sleep experience through sunset and sunrise simulation. Gone are the noisy alarms. Welcome a subtle combination of light and sound for a natural wake-up. This relaxing sunset simulation prepares your mind for relaxation before bedtime, providing a smooth transition to sleep. Don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the thousands of customer reviews attesting to its impressive quality and to share your own at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. This clock radio has a cord length of 150 cm. It features an automatic variable brightness display, meaning that the screen brightness adjusts to your environment, increasing in well-lit rooms and decreasing in darkness, thus avoiding any discomfort. Furthermore, customization reaches a new level with 20 adjustable light intensities up to 300 lux. Science proves that using a brighter light can reduce the duration of waking up. Philips has invested in numerous clinical studies to ensure that the Philips Wake-Up Light is not just an innovation, but a truly effective solution. Wake up to the sound of your favorite radio show with the FM radio function. But if you prefer something more natural, there are sounds like birds in the forest, Buddha, yoga, waves, and the Tibetan bowl that ensure a pleasant and gradual awakening. The soft and dim nightlight guides you in the dark without disturbing your sleep rhythm. And the best part is that this product is available at the best price by clicking on the link in the description. You will also find thousands of customer reviews to help you make your decision. It is important to note that the twilight simulation and nature sounds prepare your body for sleep by gradually decreasing the light and sound. No useless gadget, just a pragmatic approach to make your nights more peaceful. Now, let's recap the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1. Natural wake-up. The sunrise simulation provides a gentle wake-up, promoting a natural transition between sleep and wakefulness. Advantage number 2. Nightlight and night guide function. This is very convenient for nighttime movements. The soft nightlight provides guidance without disturbing sleep. Advantage number 3. Integrated USB port. You can thus charge your mobile phone thanks to the built-in USB port, a feature that is truly suited to our connected lives. Advantage number 4. Clinically proven study. The clinically proven effectiveness ensures the quality and positive impact of this alarm clock radio on sleep and well-being. Advantage number 5. Customization. With 20 adjustable light intensities, you can adapt it to your preference as you wish. Now, let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1. Raw finish. The simple design may not appeal to those looking for more sophisticated or aesthetic finishes. However, it is worth noting that due to its raw finish, it can fit into any interior. Disadvantage number 2. Simplicity of sounds. The 5 natural sounds offered may seem limited for those seeking a wider variety of sounds. So, for those looking for a more natural and soothing way to wake up, click the link in the description. Discover the thousands of customer reviews and take advantage of the best price for the Philips HF353101 Wake-Up Light Radio. The promise of a gentler wake-up awaits you. Thank you very much for your attention and see you soon.